Um, yeah, good morning, good morning, and how are you doing? How is everything? How is the family? Yeah, my name is Mr. T, Mr. Tanko, and I am Big Swing. They call me Big Swing. Yeah. So today we're going to be discussing about the market structure. Yes, what is market structure? Market structure is when the market is displaying higher low, then lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, then lower high, higher low, then lower high, higher low, then lower high, and so on and so forth. As a beginner, you have to understand what market structure is before you going into deeper something. I've seen a lot of people talking about market structure, but I think I'm going to go deeper so that even as a beginner, you can be able to know what market structure is, how to identify it, then and you can be able to look into it and know how to scale it and look for a profitable entry. Yes. So if you are able to catch up this, you are able to see something like this and able to understand what the market is, then fine, you are good to go. We have three type of market structure. We have range market structure, we have side waves market structure, then we have trending market structure. So these are the three type of market structure we have in the trading market. Yes, in the trading market. Yes. What is range market structure? What is range market structure? Range market structure simply means that if a market is displaying high and lower high in a range like this, this is a range market structure. Yes, a range market structure. This is a range market structure, and What is a sideways market structure? Maybe the market is going like this. The market is going like this, not in the straight line, displaying. You understand? Yeah. This is a sideways market structure. This is a range market structure. Then what is trending market structure? A trending market structure simply means that the market is displaying like this, is displaying like this, is displaying like this. So, okay, this is a trending market structure. So, yes, this is what we call market structure. As a beginner, how do you identify a market structure? Let's go into examples. Yes, let's dive into examples on how to understand what market structure is. Let's go into example. Let's look for a range market structure. Let me just go for Euro USD on higher time frame. On higher time frame, look at it. We have let's start from here. Let's start from here. Here. Look at it. Let's start from here. Look at it. This is what we call a trending market structure. But this is a higher time frame. But let's go deeper. Let's go into 4 hour time frame and recheck how it looks like. So look at it on 4 hour time frame. We have a very long trending market structure. You see? Then from here, if you notice something, the market stop doing higher highs and higher low. Look at it. What is going on here? Look at it. We now have a this is a range market structure on 4 hour time frame. From here, we have a trending, but when it comes here, we now have a range market structure. And for you to trade this kind of market structure, for if you want to trade such market structure, you have to give it a time for the market to come down to you, and you now pick your trade. In trading, you just have to be very very patient before you take your entry, then and take your profit. That is it. You just have to wait for a clear market structure and a clean entry. Then you now take your entry bam. That is all. That is so simple. So let's dive in to 1 hour market structure again. Let's check 1 hour. This is 1 hour market structure. Let's start from 1 hour market structure. The 1 hour market structure, look at it. Give us higher high. What do you think the market is telling us? The market is telling us that the market is trending. Yes. So a trending we have a trending market structure here. We have a trending market structure here. So this is how you can identify a market structure. You understand? So let me just keep it simple to you in a simple nutshell how you can understand if you are trading. If you want to understand the whole concept here, it's very easy and very simple. Let's box. This is a daily time frame. This is today is Wednesday. So I went back to Tuesday and I mark from the peak week of Tuesday. Peak week of Tuesday here. Look at it. Very easy and sharp. Very easy and sharp. And on Wednesday, the market push below my look at it, push below my line here, the line that I marked, push below. You understand? Push below. So once you can identify what I'm trying to push to you now, once you can identify it, bro, you are on your way to become a profitable trader. What do you understand here? We mark uh, uh, Tuesday candle. We now see that today is Wednesday. The candle is trying to break the Tuesday candle, but is not willing to break it easily. Is trying to close above, which we did not confirm that yet. So in that manner, this is another topic for another day. I will talk more about on how to go about you trying to understand if the market is ripe for you to take your entry, then at least cap the market. But what exactly we are here for is trying to understand if the market is bullish or bearish. So how do we understand if the market is bullish or bearish? Because now check out, what do you understand? We have look at it. We have higher low here. From here we have higher low. Then we have higher high here. Then we now have another higher low here. You understand? You see, what's the market trying to tell us? That the market is has now the market in daily time frame has now shift from 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 bullish trending market to a bearish trending market. And how do we know the market has make that shift? Is when a market break, we have a break of structure here, which some people call it um um change of character. I call it market structure. I call it break of structure, but some people call it change of character. So this is how you can, from now on, you see, it's very simple for you now. You know, in the daily time frame, if I want to catch the big move, how do I identify the right trend? Is by trying to analyze the higher time frame and see the inner bigger picture of the trend. Once you can define the inner, the higher time frame market structure, the higher time frame trend market structure, you can trade the lower time frame. You understand? If you want to become a scalper, this is how you go about it. Seeing into the market structure, trying to understand if the market structure is indeed bullish or bearish. As of today, Euro USD on daily time frame is bearish, and this is how we are trying to understand if the market is bullish or bearish. So thank you very much. We'll look more into more about market structure on and how to identify the trend. Thank you very much. I wish everybody the best. Thank you.